Cantaloupe Salad. You're at the beach, it's hot and you just want a very light lunch. Then this is the dish perfect for you. Cantaloupe, feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, lime. In this recipe we don't have to cook, we just cut the ingredient, we season them and we eat them. Perfect, super fresh, you cannot do it wrong. Cucumber already washed, we need half. In a bowl, cherry tomatoes in half and then quarter, and goes with the cucumber. Our cantaloupe, we will need only half. With a spoon we remove the seed. Now we cut in quarter. Let's remove the skin carefully. Perfect. Cut in cube. Into the bowl also the melon. Lime in half. And at the end we cut our feta cheese. A few slices. And then rectangle. Well, it's time to season our cantaloupe salad. We squeeze the lime. Olive oil. Black pepper. A bit of salt. Let's mix everything. Well guys, this is my cantaloupe salad. Trust me, it's perfect when it's hot outside, you're at the beach and you really have also not much time, you just want to relax. So eat one of these because it's healthy and not too bad. Ciao!